Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akshita and you are watching Gorgeously Flawed. And yes, it's going to be a year soon, so I am also planning to have one little Q&A video in which I'm going to answer your questions. So if you have any question, or if you have anything to say about even today's video, so do let me know your thoughts in comment section below. I read all those comments. So yes, if you like my video, then kindly subscribe to my channel. So the today's video is about most talk, or you can say most frequently asked video on my channel, because most of you don't know, but yes, I am getting some DMs and personal messages about how to stop, or you can say reduce hair fall, because I know my hair care range, or you can say my hair videos are quite famous on my channel. So people do genuinely contact me and they all want to know is how to reduce hair fall. So I have taken my time. I am getting those questions since like quite a few months now. So before sharing all those detox, or I use that word for detox, because whatever I'm going to share in today's video is all kind of a detox. The way we detox our body by doing physical activity, or having some particular diet, following some particular diet. So this is my personal detox for my hair. So yes, this is not something which I'm directly sharing with you people and all. This is something which I have applied in my hair care routine, or you can say my hair regime, and yes, I'm seeing some result. I'm not saying that you are going to see the result like as soon as you started doing these things or something like that. You have to give your hair the time they require, because some 20-year damage or 10-year damage or even 5-year damage is not going to get recovered within a month or within a week. You need to give your hair, or you can say your body, time to heal. मे बी आप में से कुछ लोगों को लगेगा कि इसमें क्या नई बात है, हम लोगों ने ये किया है, हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं, और ये करने से थोड़ी कोई फ़ायदा होगा या कोई रिजल्ट आएगा, और चलो 2 महीने से कर रहे हैं अभी कोई रिजल्ट नहीं. बट ऐसा नहीं है. गिव थिंग्स टाइम. ओके, सो द वेरी फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज स्टॉप कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट योर हेयर. ओके, सो इसमें नया क्या है ये मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. द थिंग इज, आई जेन्युइनली बिलीव कि हमारी बॉडी, और यू कैन से our mind, listen to the things we say to ourselves. Yes, that's true. We continuously keep complaining about our hair loss, our bad hair condition, or our rough hair, like everything about our hair. If we ever notice, or if we ever pay attention, we complain more about our hair more than we ever admire them. So yes, nothing is going to change, or nothing is going to make a big difference by continuously complaining about your hair. So it's all simple. It's just all you need to do is keep your mind calm and stop complaining about your hair. It's going to give you that major feeling of one small change that you really needed in your life. So once you stop complaining about your hair condition, the second thing which you can do, which is almost like very related to the first thing, is stop stressing out. या बोल देते यार स्ट्रेस मत ले, क्या होगा स्ट्रेस लेके and all. We keep giving those advice to others, but we never follow them. I know myself never been successfully able to do that, but yes, our hair condition is mostly, or you can say directly related to the stress we take. So yes, I know most of the things are not in our hand, or not happen the way we want, but yeah, it's life and you never know what is going to happen next, and you genuinely don't know. It might be more beautiful than what you want it to be. So yes, stress leke yaar, I know it's very easy and I don't want to give you any gyan, but yes, I think we all should need to keep ourselves more calm. The way you can keep yourself safe from stressing out is by indulging into some hobbies, or you can say simply reading. You don't need to read like full book, or like big something. You all need to do is just do the mindful reading, or listen to some good music, cook food, or do some hobby, or indulge into any favorite kind of TV series or anything like that. But yes, just don't let yourself lose into all that stress. The third point is very simple. You need to get haircut, not because your hair is damaged or you are facing so much hair fall or something like that. It's just a start of new something beautiful, like just a beginning of something beautiful. Yes, getting haircut, that doesn't mean that you are going to cut all the hair, like going to reduce your hair hair length like to the very short or something. You don't need to do that. All you need to do is just trim your hair, just get rid of those split ends or damage or dull ends. That's it. Okay, so the fourth point is the most important point of all those 5 points, because I have genuinely experienced that thing, is that you should avoid using excessive amount of hair care products, like different it can be different range, or different products you may applying them for different purpose. I can understand all it. कितने भी महंगे प्रोडक्ट्स आप मंगवा रहे हो, यूज कर रहे हो, फिर भी रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा है यार, कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा, हेयर की कंडीशन और मतलब और ज्यादा वर्स्ट हो रही है. इट्स बिकॉज आई थिंक वी आर डूइंग इट टू मच. एंड when I'm speaking about hair care products, I genuinely believe कि आपके पास एक particular brand होना चाहिए, and it has to be silicone free, paraben free, all natural and all that stuff. So just be selective about one particular brand which genuinely works on your hair. Okay, and इतने सारे experiment करने के बाद हमें पता चल जाता है कि कौन सा brand सच में, और कैसे which products are actually being beneficial towards your hair. सो आई टोटली अग्री कि हम जो भी पर्सनल केयर और हेयर केयर के प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करते हैं वो हम इसी होप में यूज़ करते हैं कि बेटर रिजल्ट आए, कुछ अच्छा हो जाए, कुछ कंडीशन सुधर जाए. बट ऐसा हो नहीं सकता, बिकॉज वी आर यूजिंग इट टू मच. वी आर नॉट गिविंग अ पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड enough time it required to actually show its result. Instead we jump onto another brand and just start experimenting all over again. So please don't do that. Don't give yourself or your hair too much that care which we like very absent-mindedly do, but going to harm your hair and not going to benefit you anything. So yes, I'll request you कि जो भी आप पर्सनल केयर और इवन हेयर केयर के प्रोडक्ट्स यूज कर रहे हो, प्लीज बी वेरी क्लियर अबाउट देम. लाइक डू योर रिसर्च, गिव इट अ शॉट फॉर लॉन्गर टाइम, एंड देन ओनली डिसाइड व्हाट इज एक्चुअली गुड फॉर योर हेयर एंड नॉट. एंड प्लीज स्टॉप यूजिंग एक्सेसिव हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट्स ऑन योर हेयर. The fifth point is go all natural. Yes, by that I mean there is a time when I completely stop using those hair care products, any hair care products, and I give my hair time to heal. So आज आप देख रहे हो मेरे बाल, मैंने कुछ भी नहीं, I have just shampoo them. I haven't used anything like conditioner or hair gel or any hair cream or after wash products, nothing, not serum, not oil, nothing. It's time for my hair to be all natural and let them just breathe. Eat lot of healthy natural fruits or vegetables, all those which we have heard from like very young age that you should eat this or that for good health or even better hair. So yes, it's time for actually eating those particular fruits, or you can say vegetable or such food, and also drink a lot of water. I do not mean that you should drink at least 4 liter or 5 liter. No, at least whatever you are drinking, try to drink half to 1 liter more than that. And the last point is have enough sleep. Okay, so it's all about having 7 to 8 hours of enough mindful sleep. A little you can say get out, or you can say cure about having a stop, or you can say pause on the things happening around us is sleeping. And having mindful 7 to 8 hours of sleep is very important. So I know इस वीडियो में मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं बताया जो out of the way है, but whatever those 5 points which I have shared in this video are definitely going to give you 110% result, because yes, I have applied those in my life for like good period of like 4 months, and yes, I have seen that result. This is something which all we can do and we all need to do, because we have such a busy lifestyle that we completely forget to give attention to the things we actually need to pay attention. But yes, this is something which genuinely going to work for you and your hair. Yes, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना, उसके साथ इस वीडियो को लाइक करना और आपके सारे दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना जो भी हेयर फॉल इश्यूज, बिकॉज आई नो वी ऑल आर फेसिंग दोज इश्यूज. And if you have any questions regarding the Q&A video which I'm going to do very soon on my channel, so yes, feel free to ask me those questions as well. And thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.